we'll call it a little something different, but we're gonna start with that, because it's all the beginning of next year's equations. I'll get this thing to come out of here. Let's recalibrate. Please. Shut the computer. Let's try this again. There we go. So, here we go. I'm just going to put this down again. Equations. What is an equation? An equation is nothing more than a math sentence with equal signs. Math sentence. Come on. Math sentence. Sentence with equal signs. You've done all sorts of equations before. Like 6 times 7 is 42. That's an equation because you see an equal sign there. 8 plus 9 is 17. That's an equation because of that. But today we're looking at equations that have missing, here's the key for today, missing factors. And you've seen these before. We call them missing number problems. It's when you come up with something that looks like this. 6w equals 21. And how back in the past were you told to do this problem? Back in the day. Wait.
Think of an easier problem.
Yeah, think of an easy problem. Mrs. Stone.
Okay.
In which case, Wade, give me an easy one.
2 times.
What's that?
2 times 3.
2 times 3 is 6. And you knew that since you're missing, what do you do with 6 and 2 to get 3? It's a division 1. Well, this multiplication equation, you don't really have to think of like opposites anymore. You can just automatically go with divide, and I want to see this. This is going to be a little different. All I need to do is see this. You divide both sides by the same number. Whatever number is in front of the letter is the number that you divide by. And that's what this is, division. 6 divided by 6 is a 1w, and 1w is w, so we don't write it down. What about 21 divided by 6? Well, this really is your answer. Really your answer is 21 over 6, except you need to simplify it. So you could actually do the division. 6 goes into 21 how many times? 3 times, that's 18, with the remainder of 3, which is 3 and 3 6, or 3 and 1/2. We, 7th graders, 8th graders, everybody does these. Everybody does these every day of their lives. So here's what they kind of look like. Let me give you a whole bunch of them. 50 equals 3f. 0.3 equals 0.3t equals 0.24. Okay. You just got to get used to the fact that anytime you see a number next to a letter, you're always going to divide by what's next to that letter. Okay, so you don't have to really think of an easier problem all the time. You just recognize when it's this, you are going to put this divide by 3 and divide by 3. Okay, and it doesn't matter whether the f's on this side or on that side, it's whatever letter is next, or number is next to the letter. You call that the numerical coefficient, by the way. And when you divide 3 by 3, you're left with a f. And what happens with 50 divided by 3? Well, you're going to have to do the division out if you can't do that in your head, which most of you can't. Looks like 16 2/3 to me. Guess what you're going to do for this one? Yep, you can write a little line, you can go divide by 0.3, that makes that go away, and you're left with just a t. You're going to divide this by 0.3, which means 0.3 goes on the outside, into 0.24, move the decimal one place, move the decimal one place, it goes straight up. 3 doesn't go into 2, but 3 goes into 24 8 times, t equals 0. 0.8. Everybody's relatively happy. Is there a harder one in there? I don't think so. Okay, so just remember you are always going to divide by what's next to the letter, no matter where it goes.